Hello everyone, welcome to JVLOGS. Today mini clip I'll be looking at the word nigger or negro, anyone that you choose. This word I personally don't go around using that word, whether I be on social media, talking to my friends or family. I just stay away from that word because it is drawn negativity, along with it over the years. So the word negro means a member of a dark-skinned group of people originally from Africa. All right, so that is the meaning of the word negro, and it has a Portuguese origin. So let us go back to the slavery days where slavery all started in the United States. So back then, around the 17th to 18th century, the poorer set of people in England and Europe, they had to pay for keeping their livestock safe. They have to pay government or the king and queen at that time money for just pretty much taxing the people and stuff like that. So they never wanted that, so they ran away from England and Europe in general, and they came to this newfound land called America, which they claim was founded by Christopher Columbus, but that's debatable. He was stranded. The native Indians rescued him and took him in, and then he came back and the mess started. So back then, the British, they came over, they wanted independence. When they came over, they saw that native Indians were here. What they did was killed thousands of native Indians and captured the land, which is now America. There were different colonies back in the 1700s. You had Spain, you had Netherlands, which is Dutch, and you had the British, and they pretty much fight Britain. Yes, they captured the land, but then they made an agreement with Mexico. Well, the native Indians, which are now in Mexico, they made an agreement with them. The Indian gave them a couple lands to use, which is Arizona, Texas, Colorado, and all those states that are on the west side going down into Mexico. As you can see, Mexico is attached to the United States because it was just one big country the native Indians had. So it was their land. They were here first. The Americans or the British back then captured it, killed people, and took it over. Now, fast forward 100 years later, in the 1800s, slavery started. They went to Africa, took black people, which are the Negroes now, from Africa to America, the Caribbean, and other places in Europe, and have them as slaves. So now they work the Africans because we were so strong. My ancestors, your ancestors, they were so strong. Work them in the fields, picking cotton and much more, abuse them. They were oppressed for many, many years. And they pretty much built America. So America was built on the backs of slaves. And a lot of people are going to deny this and debate about it, but it is the truth. And I'm just making that clear. Fast forward now to the Negro situation. So we're now in 2016. And the problem that I am having is that the word nigger or negro is thrown around so easily. It's all over the place. Everywhere you go, you hear it. It's in the music. I am talking about black people calling other black people niggers. It's in the music. It's in the movies. It's on social media. It's everywhere. Everywhere you go in the United States, it is thrown around as fun. You have other blacks calling other blacks niggers and so on. No, the double standard that is there right now in the world, in social media, wherever it is white people, white kids using the word nigger They have been using it in songs, racism chants for many years, and it's still going on now, but it's been increasing over the years. You have high school students wearing nigger hats and laughing and making fun of black people. Remember, the word nigger has drawn a negative connotation to it. It is considered to be offensive, you know, because of slavery and what it meant and how whites looked at black people as nothing. So to be called a nigger by anyone or even white people, it is very offensive because you remember slavery and how harsh it was and how our ancestors were beaten, raped, you know, put in circus like a show. So to be called that, it hurts a lot. No, mainstream media, artists, rap artists, 95% of them use this in their songs. Every song, rap song on the radio right now, you hear the word nigger in there. Nigger this, nigger that, nigger blah blah blah. And it goes on and on and on and on. No, you have started that problem, or you have made it socially acceptable because you have made fun with it, and white kids are now using it and they're making fun of us, and then black people are going to have a problem with that when they do it, which is really sad because you have already set the foundation. You have already showed them that, hey, it is okay for you to call us this. We are okay with it because we already call each other that, so it is okay. So it's like you're giving them an invitation now to treat you as such, like how their ancestors used to treat them, the slave master used to treat our ancestors. So now you complain that, oh, they shouldn't be calling us this, went through slavery, this and that, but yet still you're calling your sisters and brothers Negro. People, you need to wake up and realize that you are wrong for that. You cannot want one set of society to treat you a certain way when you are treating people of your complexion, people of your origin, a different way. So you can't be calling a black man a nigger in front of a white man and then not expect the white man to call you the same. Remember, that's what they called us. They called us that. Use that word to identify us. That's the origin. That's where it came from. So now you are okay with it because it has been used for centuries. So you're okay with it now and you're using it, but yet still you get upset when the white people slap you in the face with it. See, me personally, I don't use the word, and I've told my friends this: don't call me no nigger. I have a name. Call me by my name. I don't play with that word. Treat me with respect and I'll treat you with respect. You have a name, you're a human being. I don't go around calling white people cracker and hillbillies unless they upset me. That's the only way I call them that. But I don't see white people going around, hey, you cracker, come over here. Hey, let's call our cracker friend or whatever it is, or hillbillies or whatever it is. I don't see them doing that. So why black people continue to pull down each other and calling them nigger and be upset when other cultures or white people call us nigger? People, you need to wake up and realize what you're doing is wrong. And it's been going on so long that people laugh about it. Oh, it's funny, this and that. No, it's not funny to me because I know where I stand. And people might call me boring, but it's like a disease. Racism is a disease and it is still alive and well, and it is associated with racism and oppression. Black people are still oppressed. I'm not trying to play a victim. I'm not expecting you to play a victim, but if you check the facts, it's out there. A lot of people don't want to wake up and realize that racism is real and black people are still oppressed. They prefer to turn a blind eye to it, especially white people, young white people. You turn a blind eye to it saying that, oh, racism is not real anymore. Not because you're not racist or you're not treating somebody in that fashion doesn't mean that it doesn't exist elsewhere. It's not affecting you at the present moment, but it is in the system. It is rooted. It is a systematic disease, and it is alive and well. And until you open your mind and realize that this is affecting many people, that's when you should address the situation. Wake up, realize that racism is real and the word nigger is bad. So this is my 2 cents or 3 cents on the topic. Please don't call me nigger or else I'll respond in like fashion. I don't care who you are. I don't care if we're best friends from way long. I don't care. I don't like it, and it is not a nice word. So yes, that's my cue. So remember, JVLOGS, subscribe if you like this video. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Remember to subscribe and share. I'm out.